Okay guys, just put this video up quickly because it's easier to do this than try and describe it by email, but rather a neat little device. You might want to consider picking one up. £15 in total, including postage, from China. Took about 3 weeks to get here, but it was worth the wait. Just a quick look. It's a component tester, as you can probably see. It says actually on the back, transistor tester, dated July 14 for the printed circuit board, so it's pretty damn recent. A nice big display on the front. Only two controls, the off button and the test button, and a little ZIF socket here for inserting the components, which can go in any way you like, by the way. In those, it'll automatically find out where the components are. Just to give you a flavour of it, it's a transistor and LCR tester, in no particular order. This is a 51k resistor, the start button. See what that comes up with. Battery's a bit low, but never mind. 50.69 ohms resistor in pins 1 and 3. This is a 100 microfarad capacitor. Incidentally, it also does series resistance for capacitors, which is really useful for electrolytics, because that's normally what goes high. Let's see what happens here. There we go, 112.1 mic with a series resistance of 0.16 ohms between pins 1 and 3 again. I've got a little 400 puff capacitor there, but I won't bother with that. 10 millihenry choke, nominally 10 millihenries anyway. It's the only choke I've got handy, so there'll just be one of those. There you go, exactly 10 millihenries in this particular case. Again, between pins 1 and 3, series resistance 28.8 ohms. I'm only reading it just in case it doesn't come out on the vid too well. Transistor, this is a tip 32A, sits nicely across those first three. Put that in. The great thing about the transistor tester is literally just finding out which pin's which if you don't happen to know. There we go, pins 1, 2 and 3, emitter, collector, base. If I was to turn it around in there, let me switch that off, just turn it upside down, plonk it back in again. It was pins 1, 2 and 3, emitter, collector, base. It's now pins 1, 2 and 3, base, collector, emitter, as you can see. So really handy little device. Off, and I happen to have just one. I couldn't find a decent FET. I found a BFR 91, which, or is it a BFR 91? No, it's a BF 981, which is a dual gate MOSFET. It's not designed to test those, but if I just leave one of the gates out and plonk the other, as you can see there, that's one of the gates missing, and flash that up, you'll see what comes up on the screen. There you go. ND MOS, drain source and gate, pins 1, 2 and 3. The other one not being used is the other gate, obviously, in this case. I think that's pretty neat, isn't it? Knock that off. There you go, guys. I'll probably write underneath it the website that you can get this off from eBay, but I think well worth punt at 15 quid. Really, really handy. Right, switch it off.